Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Ito ay isang timeless monetary reading for you. Kaya maaari kayong makaresonate dito sa past, sa present, at sa future. So, panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, unahin natin yung kaperahan. For Gemini, recent past energy ng inyong money. You have the King of Swords. I think, mas maingat ka, no? Sa paggastos mo. In the past, maaring, meron kang life's lesson na natutunan pagdating sa pera na pwedeng, kung paano mag-handle ng pera mo in a wiser way, or may life's lessons ka na natutunan sa pagpapahiram ng pera or sa kung paano i-handle or i-manage yung finances mo. And yun yung ginagamit mo ngayon moving forward para mas maging responsible ka sa iyong kaperahan. So let's see your current energy. You have the 8 of Wands. I feel like you are going to marami kang pagkakagastusan or maaring meron ka ring mga gagawin or aasikasuhin related sa pera mo. It's either may pagkakagastusan ka or may aasikasuhin kang related sa finances mo. Mga papers or halimbawa may loan ka na tinitake, so may mga aasikasuhin kang dokumento. And for the near future, you have the 3 of Swords. Bakit? Ito na yung sinasabi ko. Kung talagang na-realize niyo yung life's lessons ninyo sa finances nyo, dapat meron na kayong mga natutunan. Oo, kasi kung hindi, maaring mag-backfire pa rin sa inyo yung mga maling desisyon ninyo pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances ninyo. Halimbawa, may natutunan na nga kayong life lesson na, let's say, hindi pala maganda na gumastos kapag sale kasi lalo kang napapagastos. Tapos, ngayon, napagastos ka na naman. Oo, so, nare-realize na, hindi pala ako natuto. Okay, mamaya, tinan pa natin. Sa, sa finances, sa trabaho, sa career. Okay, recent past, Queen of Pentacles, you're so responsible, no, pagdating sa career mo. Maaring nasa food business ka, or yung iyong yung kumpanya na pinagtatrabahoan mo nasa food business, pwede ring nasa wellness, health and wellness. And mukhang maganda yung kalagayan mo sa trabaho mo. Oo. And then, you have the Emperor card here. So, this is your current energy. Marami kang pangarap sa career mo. I think, meron ako nakikita rito na transition. Maaring may pag-angat ng iyong pwesto. Oo. Or, pwedeng pag-increase ng sweldo mo. Or, magkakaroon ka ng additional na responsibility, kaya mapopromote ka. You may be handling people, no? Managerial role, supervisor, or leader, no? Na leadership role. And then, sa near future, you have the Ace of Swords. So, it's like a new beginning for you. Pwedeng merong bagong role na parating sa'yo sa trabaho, sa career mo, na kung saan, you really feel na dinideserve mo yon. Oo. So, I think sa finances mo, kailangan lang ma-manage mo ng maayos kasi ikaw rin yung maaapektuhan nun eh. Lalo na kung medyo nag-overspend ka at hindi mo natututunan yung lesson ng mga past experiences mo. So, ano yung advice sa mga Gemini? The Strength card. Ayan. So, ito yung resistance mo sa mga sa mga temptation sa paligid mo in terms of money, no? Na may sale, alam mo yung mga tinatawag na FOMO, fear of missing out, na you will buy or spend on something because you don't want to miss that opportunity. Or you just want to flex it sa social media, no? So, not everyone naman, but minsan may ganun tayo na, you just want to show to others na, yes, we can afford it, no? Na kaya nating bilhin yon. But, kung talagang gusto mo yon, then that's good. Pero, if it's about the intention. So, if your intention is to just, let other people that you are doing well in your finances, it may backfire sa'yo. Oo. So, you have the Six of Swords. Move on, move forward. Stay away from conflicting situations pagdating sa career mo and sa finances mo. So, for some of you, may transition dito. Lalo na sa career. May pag-angat or may pagbabago which is good for your career. Lalo na kung nagkaroon ka ng mga challenging situations sa career mo. Yung iba nagkaroon ng mga chismis or bad publicity sa trabaho. Ayan, ito na nga yung adjustments. Kailangan mo daw mag-adjust sa spending mo. Your expectations are not met this time. It's better to be prepared than sorry. Yun. So, ingat na lang sa paggastos ng pera. Oo, hindi lahat kailangan nating bilhin. Law and order, meron ka mga ipaprocess na mga documents, like what I mentioned kanina. And also, some of you, ang maaari ring message rin to na, kasi with the Three of Swords here, pwedeng meron kang inaasikasong loan na hindi ma-approve or medyo madidelay, so may disappointment ka rito. But isipin mo na lang na anything na hindi nagwo-work for you, maaring redirection yan ng mas darating na mas makakabuti para sa'yo. May rewards ang hard work mo sa performance. I think sa career mo to, rewarding yung career ninyo ngayon, Gemini. So, make the most out of it. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.